Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday morning. Rob and I have just gotten back and put away the groceries from our normal weekly shopping trip. We did really good on the budget this week. Just saying. All right. Friday, because I took yesterday off. No messages, no cooking. Robin did a great simple little breakfast for dinner. Pancakes and an egg scramble. It was great. Friday, I did the butter roasted radishes and salmon. Got a lot of comments on that dish. And I also did the rice pilaf with peas. The salmon, I'll get there. The radishes, we both talked about it. Underwhelming. I think we would have changed the cooking method compared to what's in the actual recipe, to putting the radishes in a small roasting pan or roasting dish, then adding the butter on top and letting them roast in the butter, because when it's on the sheet pan, the butter just goes, as Robin said yesterday, it just ran to the salmon. And it did. So, the radishes, whatever. The salmon, I did a little kind of different, not a trick. I just changed it up a little bit because it called for the zest of one navel orange. I did that. But something in my brain said, that's not going to be enough. And I didn't want to put the slices or chunks of the navel orange, so I went and got a small can of mandarin oranges and put those on top with the zest. You saw the end result in the photo and video. Turns out very wonderful. I got 2 thumbs up on the other side of the room. It's obviously Sunday because Robin's here. And she says hello. I will get the recipe out, but there's going to be big notes in that. Yesterday, Robin and I took a little trip to Sacramento onto Richards Boulevard. We went to Chef Toys, and we had fun. It wasn't a surgical strike. We actually walked through the entire place and had fun picking on stuff, and just had a lot of fun. But we ended up getting a 12-inch Lodge cast iron skillet pre-seasoned. I've been eyeing this bad boy for several weeks now. So, I'm going to put that to use, not today, but in the very near future. Yes, I have my little 8 or 9, 10-inch, whatever the other one is, but I wanted the 12. Because I got work for that next week on what I'm calling my last meal. And I'll get into more of that later on. So today, the recipe I'm doing tonight is originally called Asiago Tortellini Alfredo with grilled chicken. I read the recipe. And I'm like, it calls for 3 tablespoons of Asiago that goes on top, not in. We nixed the Asiago. It's now Parmesan Tortellini Alfredo with grilled chicken. So let's take a look. Got the hardware going. It's actually going into 9x13 and we'll get finished off in the hot box. The Dutch oven for the pasta, of course the colander, you know what that does. So we've got chicken. I got some chicken breasts, Rayleigh's Court, kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil, whole milk, heavy cream, mixed cheese tortellini, which is kind of funny because it's got spinach in it. If you read it right there. Spinach, ricotta, and parm. Some breadcrumbs, which I'll season up, that will go on top. Of course, the Parmesan cheese, butter. We've got some Italian herb blend going on. Some garlic powder for the Alfredo, and parsley. Yeah, you know what that does. So, that's my Sunday. It's actually a pretty easy dinner. But it could be tasty. Now, you know me, you've never seen me grill anything in the last year. I actually have a perfectly good grill right outside. So I'm debating, either I grill the chicken out on my grill, or I have a grill plate for my oven, my stovetop. We'll see. I'm going to be debating that up until the point. That's my Sunday. How about yours? On this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.